Hello friends, once again I am with you, class 7th, chapter 10th, respiration in organism, exercise of this chapter. Now question number 1, why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? The answer is, an athlete breathes faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race because they need extra oxygen to get extra energy. Now question number 2. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First, the similarities are breakdown of glucose occur in both respiration, release energy in both respiration. Now differences. Aerobic respiration occurs in presence of oxygen, while in anaerobic respiration occurs in absence of oxygen. Now question number 3. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? The answer is, when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air, the dust particle may get past the hair in nasal cavity. This may irritate lining of nasal cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Here some mistake of typing mistake, so you can correct it. Now question number 4. Take 3 test tubes, fill 3/4 of each with water, label them A, B and C. Keep a snail in test tube A, a water plant in test tube B, and in C, keep snail and plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide? So, in test tube C, the highest concentration of carbon dioxide, because both snail and plant breathe and give out carbon dioxide. Now question number 5. Take the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. Question A. In cockroaches, air enters the body through spiracles. Question number B. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulations of lactic acid. Lactic acid formed in our muscles. C part. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15 to 18. D. During exhalation, the ribs move downwards. Question number 6. Match the column in first with those in column second. Column 1, yeast. Yeast gives alcohol in anaerobic respiration. B. Diaphragm, present in chest cavity. Skin, C part is skin. Earthworm breathe through skin. Leaves respire through स्ट्रोमेटा. स्ट्रोमेटा के थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन होता है लीव्स में. फिश respiration, take respiration through gills. And frog, F part is both lungs and skin. Now question number 7. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slowed down. It's false, because during heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person not slow down. It's rise up. Plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. No, it's also false. Third part, frogs breathe through their skins as well as their lungs. It's true. The fishes have lungs for respiration. Oh. No, it's false. Fishes have gills for respiration. The size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. Okay, it's correct. It's true. Now, question number 8. Give below is a square of letters in which are hidden differences words related to respiration in organisms. These words may be present in any direction, upward, downward, or along the diagonals. Find the words for your respiratory system. Clues about those words are given below the square. The ear tubes of insects. Trachea. Number 2, skeletal structure surrounded chest cavity. It's ribs. You can find this from here. The first answer is sphericals, second one is ribs, and third one is muscular floor of chest cavity is diaphragm. Number 4, tiny pores on the surface of leaf is stomata. A small opening on the sides of the body of an insect is sphericals. Sixth one is the respiratory organs of human being is lungs. The opening through which we inhale is nostrils. Eighth one is an anaerobic organism is yeast. Ninth one, an organism with tracheal system is cockroaches. You can find these answers from the square. Okay, question number 9. The mountaineers carry oxygen with them because the pressure of air is higher than that on the ground. So they need more oxygen than earth. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.